Now tell them to watch the fireworks.
I'm about to pause this.
Because I was testing to see how the wind is.
I heard it was a test shot of y'all. That's what they was sitting there talking
When I seen when I looked at the clock, when you it was flipping at 9:10. I looked at my phone and that went off. So they on point. All them birds, y'all. Look at them birds.
That's good. They need to be out our distance. They get blew
They come
up.
to get them sunflower seeds.
I don't like that. Too many of them.
Oh, they was way over there. They made their way over here.
I'm just saying.
You know, if you get close to a bird and you mess with it, it attacks you.
I want a bird. No, because that will attack you. I'm going to get one.
Bird?
Yeah.
A parakeet?
I just want a bird. Oh, that bird. But Mom told me, she told me I can have a bird or a dog, and I chose a dog instead of a bird. So if I get rid of my dog, I have to get my bird.
What kind of mama you get rid of your baby?
I ain't getting rid of that dog. They kicked him out the house today.
Wow. Shot the shoes.
So,
We do.
my dad said that he was running around the house and he was
And
down.
pull up on the sidewalk, getting it in.
When is the other firework gonna happen?
Go there.
What up?
You might as well pause it. They didn't even start yet.
Yeah, you still got 5 minutes, baby.
Oh. Tell me when they're gonna start. I'm gonna delete this video.
No, pause it. Pause your video. You can go back to it.
Not doing it.
It's gonna start. It's gonna start, y'all.
I don't know how to do the live.
On Facebook?
Go on Facebook.
Don't push
I'm not. Click that.
what?
That.
This?
Yeah. It's 15. It's 15 already.
And it just automatically do the thing.
It's already 15 right now. Start like. I would say let it
Nobody finna record? You gonna record with Will?